of you know about, which has set the path for the MiCA regulation at the European level. And the reason why Europe has inspired itself from the French regulatory framework is that we have struck the right balance between the protection of investors on the one hand and the incentive to innovate on the other hand. And the flexibility of the PSAN visa, of the CASP visa, has basically been the inspiration of the MiCA framework. And if you come in France and register as a CASP, you will be able to passport in Europe, and you will be able to have a smooth transition to MiCA precisely because MiCA was inspired by the French framework. Now, from some of the technologies, in particular NFTs, we are left out of the MiCA framework, and we are, of course, working on finding the right framework for this. But I want to highlight another thing, and I want to encourage you to talk about this during the day and to engage in and participate in this other regulation that is going to come into place next year in March of 2023, and maybe we can talk about